Big Crazy John here with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures. My friend Andy, who you may have seen in a previous video.
Crazy John's Outdoor Adventures!
My friend Andy gave me this Fresnel lens he bought on Amazon. I'll have a link to it in the notes. So you probably can't see it because I'm trying not to reflect it into the lens, but basically there's a series of concentric circles that make up this lens. It's flat, so it's not your typical like magnifying lens that has I believe a convex type lens. So I've been wanting to share this lens on the channel for a bit, and I think it's an interesting tool to use to start fires as well as to burn wood, which I'll try to show later. But first we want to just try to start a fire with it here. So I have a piece of jute twine. I'm gonna pull apart a bit and frazzle, and we got a pile of leaves here in this tin, and we got the sun to our back, and so we're gonna give this a go. So the jute twine is nice because lots of purposes. One being it's twine, two being it's a good fire starter. It has a lot of fibers that it can catch. They have a lot of these pocket Fresnel lenses, and that would be good to throw in your backpack. This large 8x10 Fresnel lens is not ideal to take with you. You know, this size is actually, I think, meant as a magnifying glass for, it's like 300% magnifier for, you could read a whole page, you know, 8.5 by 11 page, like in a book. But I don't have one of the pocket ones yet, but depending on how this goes, we will be getting that and trying that out as well. Alright, so now it's very thin, hair-like kind of substance here. Which is great for catching sparks and catching on fire. Oh. Huh. Try not to catch it on fire. Works very well. Oh wow, yeah. That works really well. See, you can see the smoke. It's catching. There it goes. That was easy. That's how I use the Fresnel lens. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Look for it, you're in shot. Having some challenges getting the right angle here. There we go, right there. Gotta get that pin dot. Gotta get the right focal length. There it goes. Remember, get outside and have some fun.